I wanted to learn Cobol. Old books are not pleasant. I really prefer to follow Pacta Cobol trainings.
Training a new generation of Cobol developers. A silent urgency. Cobol still powers critical systems in banking, insurance, and government. But there's a growing issue: a shortage of trained Cobol developers. What if the real solution wasn't migration, but education? Most existing Cobol training is aimed at experienced developers. Yet what we really need is to train beginners, newcomers, people with no technical background. At Pacta Cobol, we've built a training program designed specifically for complete beginners, accessible, structured, and easy to follow. Written in French, but easily translatable into any language via your browser. Compatible with screen readers and text-to-speech tools to listen in your preferred language. To keep Cobol alive, we need to pass it on. And to pass it on, we need training that truly speaks to beginners. Learn more at cobol.pacta.com.